Welcome to Managerial Accounting, the second topic in the management series of our Fast Dash MBA course. So let's begin. Here are the basics behind managerial accounting. The ones you'll really want to focus on is cost management and budgeting systems, as they are essentially the backbone of managerial accounting. As always, make sure you download the worksheets that we've provided for you so you can begin to develop a basic understanding of these key concepts. Why do we study managerial accounting? Simply put, to be better informed for decision making. It helps decide matters within an organization and aids in planning and control functions. While financial accounting focuses on the external review, managerial accounting focuses on the internal procedures by gathering and analyzing financial information relevant to business operation, cost analysis, and other key concepts you see listed here. In other words, it's about cost structure and budgeting. Understanding the purpose of managerial accounting. Looking here at the first bullet point, it's about being able to quantify and record on business by providing detailed and broken down information in different types of data. On this next bullet point, it's simply about making decisions based on the information that was gathered to stay within the scope and goals of a business. Here are the main takeaways from managerial accounting. Now, accounting in general contains a lot of different formulas, so the 18 that we've provided for you over the next two slides will be some of the biggest ones that your classes will be covering. So if you want to get a head start, make sure to reference the worksheets that we've provided for you at the beginning, as we've mentioned before, and you'll be able to develop a solid foundation before heading into any of these courses. Here are the additional formulas we'll want you to become familiar with. Now, as we've mentioned before, managerial accounting boils down to two things: cost structure and budgeting systems. So all the key concepts and all the formulas that we've listed and discussed here in this presentation all boils down to the cost structure and budgeting systems of every organization. So to sum up everything we've discussed about accounting here on this course, here's a great flowchart that really breaks down how both managerial accounting and financial accounting work within an organization. Feel free to pause this slide here so you can go ahead and read through at your own pace before moving on to the next slide. Similar to my financial accounting course, the main difference here was utilizing the principles from managerial accounting naturally. So some of the things we were looking at when we were analyzing a company was allocating its costs and profits to determine whether it's viable to purchase a building versus leasing it. We also looked at whether it's viable to outsource a service or perform that service in-house, or even hire more employees versus increasing the responsibilities of that company's current staff. If you have any questions about anything that we've covered here in today's video, make sure to drop them in the comment section below, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible in order to have an open discussion. We'll see you in the next video.